Bridge. A construction or natural feature that spans a divide, the upper bony ridge of the human nose, a prosthesis replacing one or several adjacent teeth, the gap between the holes on a bowling ball. An arch or superstructure, an elevated platform above the upper deck of a mechanically propelled ship from which it is navigated and from which all activities on deck can be seen and controlled by the captain, etc. Smaller ships have a wheelhouse, and sailing ships were controlled from a quarterdeck. The piece, on string instruments, that supports the strings from the sounding board, a particular form of one hand placed on the table to support the cue when making a shot in cue sports. A cue modified with a convex arch-shaped notched head attached to the narrow end, used to support a player's shooter's cue for extended or tedious shots. Also called a spider. Anything supported at the ends and serving to keep some other thing from resting upon the object spanned, as in engraving, watchmaking, etc., or which forms a platform or staging over which something passes or is conveyed. A defensive position in which the wrestler is supported by his feet and head, belly up, in order to prevent touchdown of the shoulders and eventually to dislodge an opponent who has established a position on top. A connection, real or abstract, a rudimentary procedure before definite solution, a device which connects two or more computer buses, typically in a transparent manner, a system which connects two or more local area networks at layer 2, an intramolecular valence bond, atom or chain of atoms that connects two different parts of a molecule, the atoms so connected being bridgeheads, an unintended solder connection between two or more components or pins, a song contained within another song, often demarcated by meter, key, or melody, an edge which, if removed, changes a connected graph to one that is not connected, a point in a line where a break in a word unit cannot occur, a statement, such as an offer, that signals a possibility of accord. B-R-I-D-G-E. Bridge.